Over the last few days, meme coins such as Lilo and many others have been absolutely mooning, going to market caps of hundreds of millions of dollars within one single day. I'm not even kidding. This is literally happening right now for this token called Lilo, which launched 3 hours and 8 minutes ago and which is currently now sitting at a $3 million market cap. We can check the top traders on this coin, and as you can see, the top trader put in $8,000 right here and got back $35,000 in profit. There are multiple traders making ridiculous amounts of money, just like this guy who put in $352 and got back $14,000 in profit. This is serious. This and many other tokens, especially over the past couple of days, have been launched on a site called Pump.fun. And let me explain this to you really quick. The main difference with Pump.fun compared to any other decentralized exchange is that anybody can launch a meme coin for only $2 and the developer cannot rug pull it. Previously, to launch a token, you had to spend upwards of $5,000 and have a bunch of technical knowledge to launch a meme coin successfully. And then once the token actually launched, you invest into the token and get rug pulled at 90% of the time by the developer selling all his holdings or by people who hold massive percentages of the token. As a trader, you run into numerous problems. With new scam tokens launching every single minute, it's incredibly difficult to decipher what tokens are good and which ones are bad. Let me show you the site where all the magic happens. This is Pump.fun. It's basically dozens of degenerate memes launching every couple of minutes. On the top, you can see a coin with the rank of King of the Hill. The King of the Hill is the most trending coin on Pump.fun as of right now. So let's click it and see what's going on here. This coin is currently absolutely pumping, and we can see it is at $70,000 market cap already. We can also see the virtual liquidity, which is at $40,000, and then we have the bonding curve. The bonding curve is currently at 100%. This means that once the token hits just over $71,000, it will deploy on the regular Solana blockchain, instantly burning the liquidity pool, as well as allowing it to be swapped on sites like Radium and Jupiter. It will also be live on Dex Spinner for everyone to see it, which is where the big profits come in. The reason why we have to wait for the market cap to reach over $70,000 is because right now we are basically accumulating all the money and then sending it all over to the regular Solana blockchain. And because of that, we launch with sufficient liquidity, which allows us to get into these coins way early before they even land on the regular Solana blockchain. As you can see, people are currently trading this token called Master of Puppets back and forth, so the bonding curve fluctuates and there is always a risk of losing your money. However, if you do your own research and not invest in some random coin or investing into the King of the Hill because of fear of missing out, because that is how you're going to lose your money 99% of the time. What you want to do is go onto the top 24-hour trending Solana meme coins on dexspinner.com or any other spinner website of your choice, and as you can see, we currently have a lot of cat tokens trending in the past 24 hours, which shows you that meme coins launched in this narrative, basically the cat narrative, within the past 24 hours tend to do really well. You basically need to be in touch with the entire Solana meme coin culture of what meme coins are currently trending and which ones are not. That is how you win. But hold on, this coin Shark Cat, which was launched on Pump.fun, is currently sitting at an $80 million market cap, and we can actually zoom in here and see that this coin started at a $70,000 market cap, and all of this had begun just from Pump.fun, which had entirely funded it. And as you can see, this developer had built up the coin and kept pushing it, and ultimately it has hit almost $80 million market cap already. And if you zoom out here, you can see it just kept pumping and pumping and pumping up. The coin had kept going, kept pumping due to the developers shilling it, which is absolutely insane for something which has started out as technically nothing but a degen meme coin. However, the dev had kept on pumping and pumping it. This shilling by the developer was doing through dozens of forms of marketing. However, what most people use and what I normally use whenever I launch a new token would be Telegram marketing, and also promoting it on Telegram channels, on forums, even on Pump.fun. As you can see, you can just comment down here if you're logged in. You can promote your token, and also even paying Twitter marketers, Twitter shillers, Telegram call channels to advertise the token on their channel. And as you can see here, the dev had actually played it smart and kept marketing it and advertising it up and up and up so that it kept pumping, instead of being an idiot who maybe gets a 5-10x and just pulling out early and, well, basically rug pulling it. If they pulled out early, they'd have lost possibly millions and millions of dollars. But instead of the dev just going to rug his own token, maybe get like $50,000, which is a lot of money, he decided he was going to market it and make it a multi-million-dollar coin. So if you're interested in actually making a token for yourself, I advise you that you head over to Pump.fun, where you can create a fresh meme coin for purely $2, and then you can begin shilling it from there, and you're not going to be getting any percentage for yourself unless you actually buy some of it. So for example, if you buy 1 Solana worth, you get 3.5% and so on and so on. However, I recommend that you don't hold too much percent, otherwise people will see and they won't invest into it. Now, this goes for everyone here looking to make a profit. You really should invest entirely early, as the coin's starting market cap is actually $5,000, which isn't that low. This is crazy crazy since this is basically a low normal coin's market cap straight on the Solana blockchain, and it will just keep on sending and sending so long as you have a good project, or in the case of being the developer, you're promoting it well. One way to ensure that you don't lose out is selling in small quantities, slowly but surely going and selling off about 30% of your holdings before the coin is set to actually hit its 70k mark, deploying it onto the blockchain. Doing this ensures you come out with a profit no matter what may happen afterwards to the token. Now, if you're looking to not get scammed, then I highly advise you looking into who has the most shares of the coin, if it's being bought avidly, and who the devs may be as to not get rugged, since all of these can be major red flags for big projects in the coin's progress, as well as any profits you'd be making. The best part about Pump.fun is how it's a system wherein it works exactly the same as a regular blockchain, and it has the added benefit of being a lower risk area to get started, so long as you're not buying into garbage like this, which is bound to either be a rug or mismanaged or a flop. So remember, always check what's trending as of now and what projects look well made or are well promoted. These moon most of the time, however, is always a risk. However, it's one of the easiest and quickest ways to profit from Pump.fun. However, if you're just looking to invest in profit, I would say you should go and join a big community and chill together. This is an easy way to profit, learn, make connections when you're a lower trader, such as joining some Telegram communities, Discord servers, or even joining my Discord server, which launched just a few days ago. But let me share something with you. I have a comprehensive training program that shows you exactly how to get into early launch meme coins on Pump.fun at any time frame. In this training program, I go way more in depth about how Pump.fun works, how to analyze charts and collections on all of these new launches. All of this, I go through exactly what memes are and how they work, so I'm assuming you're a completely brand new, basically a noob, because I see the same things again and again. And you can understand and sort of have a gut feeling of which ones will pump and which ones will dump. If you combine all my strategies and all of my lessons, then your probability of success with Pump.fun is a lot higher. I go through all of the lifespans of these Pump.fun launches, so we discuss it step by step. I go through all of the different strategies here on the left. You'll see I have my guide here, and this has every single strategy that I have used myself to turn a profit on Pump.fun. I also discuss all of the scams on Pump.fun and how the devs make money. We talk about trading psychology, we talk about where to take profit, optimal buying and selling zones. Everything you can think of about Pump.fun is covered in my training program, which is currently 100% off at the moment before my channel blows up. So if you're interested and want to learn more about how Solana and Pump.fun works in general and how to turn a profit, I seriously think my training program is for you. You have nothing to lose. It is completely free. Link in the description.